How are you? Sit down. Okay. Today we want to talk about, we want to learn a maths activity. And I think yesterday we had done about the place value, which was about 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 sentence. Are we there? So today we want to continue from there we left yesterday and look on another thing. Are we there? Yes. Now before we go ahead, I want somebody to answer me the question that I'm going to ask. Sawa sawa? Yes. As per from what we did yesterday, we have a number like 8. Which number is that? 89. Which number is that? 89. It is number 89. Are we there? Yes. So somebody to tell me the place value that number 9 takes and the place value that number 8 takes in that number. You raise up your hand. Abbas, I'm asking a question as well, you are doing your own things. I want somebody to tell me the place value that number 9 takes and the place value that number 8 takes. Yeah? Who can tell us? Zamzam. Yes? 9, she's telling us 9 is ones, and 8 is tens. Is she right? Is it right? Is it right? Yes, you clap for her. You give her a CPC clap, huh? Again? Yes, that's what we did yesterday. This is ones and this is tens. Are we there? Yeah. So today we want to look at how we can use a place value tin. A place value? A place value? Do we know a tin? Fartosa, do you know a tin? Yeah? Do we know a tin? We have tins at home. Are we there? Mkepe too. Are we there? Like when you have milk, yale maziwa mnatengenezea chai, si ndio? Yakiisha, huo mkebe ni tin. Are we there? So we want to see on how we can use a tin to place the numbers in terms of values. Are we there? Yes. Like maybe I have number 46. I have number 46. I want to use a place value tin. We use a place value. A place value tin. I draw my tin there. I draw my tin like that. Are we there? So I am going to draw my sticks there in that tin. Another tin I will draw it there. Are we there? Now I want to draw my sticks for ones here and my 10 sticks here. Are we there? Yes. How many ones are there? Come on. 6 ones. Are we there? So we are going to draw how many sticks here in the tin of ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are we there? And how many tens do we have? 4. We have how many tens? 4. We have 4 tens. So in my 10 tin, I'm going to draw how many sticks? 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Are we there? Yes. Now I'm done with that. Maybe I have my number 9 there. I have my number 9. So I want you to draw the sticks in a tin. In which tin are we going to draw the sticks? Is it a 1 tin or a 10 tin? 1 tin. Yeah, 1 tin. Are we there? So here we draw our tin like that. And we draw how many sticks? 1. How many sticks? 9 sticks. Which are now in the place value of what? 1s, because we don't have tens. Do we have tens? We only have 1s. Are we there? So I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are enough. Sawa sawa? Samir, you have to listen from the teacher. Are we there? Yes. That's I'm done. I may have up to hundreds. Up to hundreds. Now here I have 418. 418. I want to use still the place value 10. The place value? 10. How many tins am I going to draw? 3. I'm going to draw how many tins? 3. Yeah, I'm going to draw 3 tins because now I have 3 digits. I have 3 digits or 3 numbers. Sawa sawa? Aya. I draw my first tin there. Another one there. And another one there. Aya. Which is ones in this my number? 8. Yeah? 8. The 8 now is in which place value? 8 is in which place value? 1. It is in the place value of? 1. Ones. Are we seeing that? So I'm going to draw my 8 sticks in the first tin here. Are we there? So I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tens. How many tens do I have? 1. So I draw how many sticks here? 1. Only 1. And how many tens? 4. So I draw my hundreds. This 4 is hundreds. So I draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm done. Are we there? So this is my, I've done this one and I have now finished. Are we there? Now I want to give somebody. I want to give? Hey, if you were sleeping in the class, I want to give you now. Sudaisy. Sudaisy, are you there? I want you to come and do for us this one. Using the place value 10. Is he correct? When you draw them inside, like that. So, zingie tundani. Are you there? Is he right? He is right, Sindio, because this is 1 and this is tens. Now he has drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Are we there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. Are we there? We give him a clap. Again? Yes. Now I want a girl. I want a girl to come and do for me. One girl. Is she right? Is she right? Is she right? She has drawn here 3, here 2, and here 1. Is it like that? Is it like that? They are saying no. She has made somewhere. She has tried, but she has made somewhere. Can you come and correct Kamar? Do quickly. Use the duster here. Is she right? Clap for her, appreciate her. Again. Now she's right. This is, Deka, this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. So you want to start from here 2, you come 1, and you come 3. Sawa? Yeah.